Oh, the joy of owning an old car. Always something new. Hey guys, I'm back in action. Was quite busy lately. Today I'm going to replace my Beamer's failed wiper mechanism. The job isn't difficult, should be straightforward. We will have to remove the wiper arms first. I will use my pullers. This one didn't work out. Let's try another one. You need a T80 torque socket to remove the driver's side. It must have a hole in the center as well if your car is a pre-facelift, since there is a tensioning pin in the arm. Remove the plastic lips and the window lower trim on the driver's side. Remove the metal trim. Looks like the arm mechanism is kaput. Now I will remove the center duct. There are 4 bolts inside. Firstly, undo the cable duct. Undo the 4 bolts. Be ready to use a magnet in case they will fall. This is how they are sitting there, using a plastic washer. Cannot repair a car without breaking something. Here's the mechanism. Move it to expose some of the bolts. Undo the bolts, unplug the connectors and remove the mechanism. Looks like the joint has inevitably disintegrated. I had the mechanism in stock, but from a facelift version. They are exactly the same, except that the pre-facelift one has an additional motor which adjusts the pressure of the driver's wiper arm. How cool is that? And looks like I'll have to replace the driver's arm as well, since the mounting finger is different. Yep, indeed. Okay, time to clean the area and assemble everything back. Works like a charm. Mount the wiper arms and don't forget to move the wipers beforehand so they would park. There is no data at what height they should be, so I've bolted them to be as close as possible to bottom. Okay, testing time. Almost like a Mercedes-Benz. A visit to a scrapyard and driver's facelift wiper is in. Thanks for watching.